Alright, now let's get to Chapter 8, all about the colors. The presentation by Elijah Jones. Keep in mind that this is for a TFTC discussion board, you know. So, let's get this started, shall we? Alright, primary colors. A set of primary colors is most tangibly a set of real colorants or colored lights that can be combined in varying amounts to produce a gamut of colors. You got red, yellow, and blue. Now, tertiary colors. Tertiary colors, or intermediate color, is a color made by mixing fuel saturation of one primary color with half saturation of another primary color, and of a third primary, Yeah, color space such as RGB, CMYK, or RYB. You have red, orange, yellow, orange, blue, orange. Oh wait, hang on. Red, orange, yellow, orange, blue, green, yellow, green, blue, purple, red, purple. As for secondary colors, well, you've got orange, green, and purple. So yeah. A triadic color scheme is 3 colors. It's evenly spaced on the color wheel. The two most basic triadic palettes are the primary colors red, blue, and yellow. And the secondary hues orange, purple, and green. Analogous colors are groups of 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, sharing a common color, one being the dominant color, which tends to be a primary, secondary color, and tertiary. Red, orange, and red, orange are examples. The other examples include these, by the way. Color temperature. Yep, the color temperature of a source is the temperature of an ideal black body radiator that radiates light of a color comparable to that of the light source. Saturated colors, colorfulness, and saturation are attributes of perceived color line intensity. You have saturated colors and muted colors. Desaturated dark colors. This is what happens when you desaturate dark colors. As with desaturated light colors, this is what happens when you desaturate light colors. See the difference? Now let's get to the other ones. RGB, or red, green, blue, versus system focusing used on a computer display, like this. As for CMYK, which stands for diameter yellow black, these are the 4 basic colors used for printing color images, like RGB, which is green images on your computer screen. CMYK are subject. They're used for print media too. Spot color. An offset printing a spot color or solid color is any color generated by an ink using a single run, whereas a process color is produced by printing a series of dots of different colors. You got spot color and you have process color. Man, that's a lot of dots. And here's the hexadecimal code. In mathematics and computing, hexadecimal is a decimal system that sends numbers using a base of 16. Unlike the common way of representing numbers with 10 symbols, it uses 16 distinct symbols. Most often the symbols 0 through 9 represent values 0 and 9. AF represent values 10 and to 15. Yep, these are the ones. Well, that's all the time I have for today. If you want something, let me know in the comments below.